What is up, guys? Yes. What is up, guys? And I just wanted to jump on here and show you guys some. Here's the thing. If you are building a website, if you are out there, if you're a web designer, if you're a coach, if you're a consultant, if you're trying to build a course, if you are in the process right now of building a website, like here, first, if you're watching the replay, drop some fire. I'm hanging out in my backyard in Vegas. It's like crazy windy, but we're just going to hang out on this anyways. And so now here's the thing, right? If you are building a website and you want to make your website like beautiful, all right, check this out. I'm going to share you guys something that my wife has been working on for a very long time, right? Like she started off as an actual, like somebody actually makes like birthday invitations, right? And she started to learn like graphic design, learn like how to make like things look pretty. And she realized that that was a skill that didn't necessarily pay a lot of money, right? It wasn't a thing that made a lot of money, didn't help a lot of people. It helped like a couple kids get a birthday party, right? But and then she started to take her skill and apply it to something completely different, which was designing beautiful looking websites. And I'm going to send a comment. So you guys, everyone in the comments, I just dropped in what's called LCDesignCompany.com/template shop. And this is a beautiful, beautiful template shop that my wife has made. And she has been creating website templates that that you can actually just dive in and plug and play your information, right? And so I'm going to actually share my screen. You guys can see it, hopefully. Drop some fire if you can share it and see my screen. This is my wife's business called LC Design Company. And here's the thing. She really focuses on people that are like experts, that have professional businesses, people that want to make courses, consultant, coaches, anyone that needs like an application, right? And so check out this. She's starting to build these website templates for people that have businesses that are just ready to like plug in your information, make it super fast to get your website up. And so I'm going to dive in. I'm going to do a quick overview. So this is one of our templates called the Sarah template. This is just for service-based businesses. And now here's the thing. Anyone that's watching this, right? I have anyone that's watching this and ends up anyone that actually wants to take me up on getting one of these templates, I'm going to be throwing in a special bonus. So anyone that goes through and gets one of the templates, just comment on this video, hey, I bought a template, and I'm going to hook you up with a bonus for this business, whether it's helping you get traffic to this business, helping you promote your services to your business, whatever I can do, I'm going to help you. I'm going to set you up with a sweet bonus. And so guys, so check out this template, right? So one of the first one is called the Sarah template. This is for service-based businesses. The Sarah template is built just to help service-based businesses start their online presence and show up online beautifully, right? So if you have a service-based business, like if you're a hair salon, makeup artist, if you are a, if you have like a laundry service, it doesn't matter what you have, or if you're like a health coach, right? Or if you're a doctor or anything like that, like a service that you provide to somebody, this is one of the templates that I would recommend. The Sarah template is perfect for any professional that serves clients and wants to send their potential clients to learn more about their online services, right? So this is a hub for all of your programs. I'll dive into this in a few seconds. The second one is the Esther template. So this is people that want to launch digital courses, digital products, stuff like that. This is geared just for this. It literally has in here an entire course built into it, right? So now you already have a course. You just have to plug in your information, and now you're able to sell a course within a few like days, right? The very last one is what's called the Maggie template. And so this is called the Maggie template. And this is for online health coaches, consultants, professionals, anyone that like already wants a beautiful brand that is kind of already structured for a health consultant, right? So if you're a health coach, this one is really, this is going to get you way faster. If you offer anything in the wellness professional area, like a shop or a store or affiliate products, and you still want to write a blog and build your email list, the Maggie template is for you. We actually built this just off a client. She ended up doing $1,000 in 3 months from that, using that website. And so phenomenal results with that. All right, so let's dive into the Sarah template. Is there one that you guys want me to dive in? I'm going to dive into all of them. Do you guys want me to dive into one first? Let me see what you guys say. Let's go. All right, if you guys are watching live, what is up? And if you're watching the replay, heck yes. And so, all right, I'm going to go and we're going to click right here. So we're going to go into just one at a time, right? We're going to go into the Sarah template first. I'm going to click this. And now, right, so the Sarah template. This is a custom built website that's not going to cost you $5,000, right? So like my wife usually charges anywhere between $5,000 to $10,000 a month, right? Just to get her to build a website. And so here's the thing. This is the Sarah template. So this is already built. This is already set up for you. You just have to enter your information. And so I'm going to click view live demo. And so we actually can see what this site looks like when it's set up, right? And so this is the Sarah template. And you can see like this is what you're going to get. This is what the template is. You're just going to be able to input your information. You'll have a little like Canva templates, like icons, like photos that you could switch out your information. You'll have it says meet your name, right? It's not going to be them. Where you're featured in, a little like opt-in that you're going to be able to get people to join your email list. You're going to be able to talk about your services here, and then it's going to go to a beautiful service page right here, and they'll be able to pick your service. And here's the cool thing, right? Check out this. Right now they could actually go to your application. They could apply to work with you. And think about it. If you have a high ticket service program, a high ticket one-on-one, if you're a photographer, doesn't matter what you are, right? You have the ability to send them to an application. They could fill this out and they could look like right here. This says, hey, the investment to work together can be anywhere to be 4 to 5 figure investment. Lauren only works with exclusive limited time clients throughout the year. Are you mentally and financially ready to commit in your business in this way? So you are literally asking the money question on your application. This is already done. You have a blog area that is set up and looking beautiful. And so you have a lot with this Sarah template that you are miles and miles ahead. And here's the thing is it's built on such an easy platform to learn that even if you have a designer or if you're actually using it yourself, you're going to be able to really be able to customize your website on this pretty fast. Right, so here's what you're going to get inside the Sarah template. It's a premium website template, easy customization, plug in your website copy. You get template 24-hour support from the team. Responsive mobile design, so everyone's on mobile, right? You know what I mean? You get 12 pages included in this. And check out this. These are people that actually used the template and have gotten results with this, right? So we have the marketing mermaid, shout out to her, right? We have Jacqueline Bacon, a shout out to her. And we have Rita Brewer, right? And so all of these girls' websites are still up and active. We can go on here and view what they look like, how beautiful they are. And you can see, right? They still have the same structure. Remember, we had the hi there, and now you have this meet this person. So we still have the things. You can still see how the structure is there. But now let's check out this, right? Like, look at this website. Look how completely different this website looks, right? And so you can see that it's her brand, it's her feel, it's her vibe. Even though these are the exact same, it doesn't feel the exact same, right? They both feel, this one feels more beachy, it feels more vibe, more pop. This one feels more earthy tones, more like desert, more vibe, you know, and so completely different. So don't ever feel like when you buy a template, you're going to have a website that looks like everybody else's, right? Because that's totally not true. And then here's even Rita Brewer's, right? Hers looks completely different, right? Like this one looks so cute. I love it, right? And so completely different. But you can see it in action. You know what I mean? You can see that each website is different. Each website has a different vibe, and it still has what you need, right? She's still bringing on clients. She's still like, you're able to work with her. You're able to, she has her calendar, you know, so she has a calendar built into this one. And you're able to do the exact same. And so that is the Sarah template. So if you like the Sarah template, drop Sarah template below, and I'll send you the link after this video. And here, I'm going to dive into the next one. And let's see. So hit back. So that was the Sarah template. And now check out the Esther template, right? The Esther is one of my favorites because I love selling digital products, right? I started off on the internet basically selling a $7 digital ebook in 2 months, I ended up making $23,178 from a $7 product. And so that was a pure digital product. And so I fully believe in digital products. And so here's this cool thing. This one has a video. This is a 10-minute video, but it actually shows you the entire process of how to set up your template, how to actually customize it, what it looks like on the back end, how you're really able to customize this thing. And so that is there. You can watch this. You can see what the demo of the website looks like. And this is what this template is going to feel like, right? So this is how this is going to feel. I work with coaches. You can see how you could easily input your information. It already has the template. It already has like content prompts, copy prompts. And so you're going to quickly be able to build your website way faster than if you tried to like do all this from scratch, right? And so sometimes speed, just getting it done in a fast time is what some people are looking for, right? And so this is going to save you a lot of time. And so here's the cool thing, the premium one, right? If we were to go to the premium one comes with this membership login, right? So now imagine if you actually had a program, right? This entire sales page is already built for you. You already have something that can literally you just have to get in and just input your information. And so you have a sales page ready. This is ready to sell a $1,497 page. You can see it goes out to a checkout page, which then will go and give membership access. Super beautiful. So she has done a lot of work on this. And now you already have a course built. You already have a template for that. You already have a website plus a course. You can have them log in. See, this is really cool. You can actually have them at the top of your page. They actually have a login, right? So you actually will have a course login so they could sign into their membership area. Everything is already set up for you. So you are way ahead of the game. You just have to input your information, right? So that's the Esther template. So if you want to check out the Esther template, drop 5 below and Esther, and I'll send you the link for that afterwards. And here I probably saved the best for last because this is a template that was already was built after somebody that was already in motion, right? It wasn't just built because we needed it or we wanted, or it was a request. This was built because we had an audience that requested this. And so if you are a functioning medicine or in the health niche, or you're in a doctor or wellness service-based business, this is already a template, right? I'm just going to view this. Or here's the thing, you could just because this is set up for someone like that doesn't mean you have to use that. You can still change the words. You can still apply the branding. It's still an overall beautiful looking website. But you can see that this website is ready just for health consultants. The prompts, the copy is kind of already there, right? And so you can see so adorable, the branding, the colors, the vibe. And so all you have to do is switch out this copy, right? Switch your service information, switch a little description, switch the link to actually go to those websites. You have your results. People can work with you one-on-one. This is already connected. You have the About Me pages. Everything is already set up for you. You just have to dive in and switch out your information. And so that is the Maggie template. We can check out what the contact us looks like. So cute, so beautiful, right? And so it just pops, right? And so this is one of, like I said, this is one of LC Design Company's templates. And so, but wait. And now here's the last thing, right? So those are the templates. Now, if you're watching this and, let's go back. If you're watching this and you're like, hey, I want a template or I want a website, but I'm not ready. I don't need a template, right? We also have this, right? So, but wait, need something more custom, right? Now you could apply to work with our team one-on-one. So if you go onto lcdesigncompany.com/apply, you could actually go to apply, and now you could actually work with my wife for any on logo branding, web design, email marketing, membership course design, product launches, service launches, anything that you have that you need to launch out there. She's able to help you and make it look beautiful. So the value in the product that you have, right? Think about it like this, right? If you have the world's greatest product, but it looks terrible and it doesn't have a good branding, doesn't have a good style, you know, no, it's not, nobody's not going to want it. It's not going to be valued in your customers' eyes as much. And so having a website that brings it to that next level, I would highly recommend it, right? That's really gonna increase your perceived value for your customers, right? And so I'm going to drop the link inside the video for anybody that's watching again. Oh, look at, we got Tanisa. Yes. All right. So we got the Maggie check template. That is very awesome. All right, guys, there is the link if you guys want to check out the template. Like I said, anybody that checks out and buys one of the templates from LC Design Company today, I'm going to hook you guys up with a bonus, and this is going to be a bonus completely separate from LC Design Company. This is just going to be a Jeff Caldwell bonus. Like I said, it's probably going to be something that involves getting people to your website. It might be Facebook ad retargeting training. It might be some email marketing templates, but I will be hooking you guys up. Depends on what the template you get. And yeah, if you guys have any questions from here on out, don't be shy to message me. And here's the thing, also, my wife jumped on a few minutes ago, so I'll put a little thing like, woo, right? So if you guys are watching this and you guys want to reach out to her directly, she will be able to help you guys with any websites, templates, branding, logos, anything that you guys need. And so I love you guys. I will talk soon.